कमेटी
कलेक्टर
बनेगी।
को बुलवा लेते हैं, अगर आप कहना है कि कलेक्टर ने नहीं किया तो।
अलग अलग जिलों में सर प्रोसेस
अलग अलग जिलों के लिए हम आपके बात कर रहे हैं। आपके जिले, आपके अंतर्गत कितने जिले आते हैं?
सर 8 जिले सर।
हाँ, तो 8 जिले में कब तक ये क्या पॉलिसी निर्णय था कि कितने समय में ये रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग पूरी करनी है? टाइम टेबल डिसाइड हो गया 9 सितंबर से 9 अक्टूबर, 9 अक्टूबर से 9 नवंबर। उसके पहले आप कार्रवाई पूरी कर लीजिए।
सर बहुत जिलों में सर अभी
हमें नहीं मालूम, अगर नहीं हुआ है तो आपके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होगी।
Your Lordship, these are connected matters. In respect of their, in most of them, Your Lordship, the challenge is to the appointment of
हमने
the.
2 सवाल पूछे थे वकील साहब, पीछे बैठ के थोड़ा ना काम होगा।
No, no,
Where is the
actually, he
counsel?
had another matter. The Joint Commissioner is here, Your
हाँ,
Lordship. He's
where is the joint commissioner? Call him. When was this reorganization of PACC was started?
1 मार्च 2023 से स्टार्ट हुआ।
हैं?
1 मार्च 2023 से।
तो कब तक पूरा होगा ये रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग? या क्या पॉलिसी है इस बारे में?
इसमें सर
आप अपनी कन्वीनियंस से करेंगे क्या? रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग के लिए क्या सिद्धांत है, क्या पॉलिसी है?
सर इसमें कलेक्टर की अध्यक्षता में जिला स्तर कमेटी
कलेक्टर
बनेगी।
को बुलवा लेते हैं, अगर आप कहना है कि कलेक्टर ने नहीं किया तो।
अलग अलग जिलों में सर प्रोसेस
अलग अलग जिलों के लिए हम आपके बात कर रहे हैं। आपके जिले, आपके अंतर्गत कितने जिले आते हैं?
सर 8 जिले सर।
हाँ, तो 8 जिले में कब तक ये क्या पॉलिसी निर्णय था कि कितने समय में ये रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग पूरी करनी है? एंड हाउ लॉन्ग यू कैन पोस्टपोन इलेक्शंस इन द गार्ब ऑफ रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग? My question was specific in the morning. It is as clear as it was during the first session.
सर जबलपुर संभाग में सर अलग अलग जिलों की स्थिति सर मैं बताऊं। डिंडोरी में सर जैसे कि 21 सोसाइटियों का आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो गया है।
हाँ,
और इनमें सर धारा 16 का नोटिस भी जारी हुआ है।
हाँ।
इसमें आम सभा होना बाकी है सर। जबलपुर में सर 4 सोसाइटियों का आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो चुका है सर। कटनी में
ये
सर
काम कब पूरा हो जाएगा, उसके लिए क्या समय सीमा तय की गई है? मैं आपसे सवाल ये पूछ रहा हूँ। आपने बोला कि मार्च 2023 में, अभी अगस्त खत्म हो रहा है, सितंबर आ रहा है।
विभाग से जो समय सीमा दी गई थी वो सर सितंबर तक दी गई थी सर।
कौन सी सितंबर तक की थी?
सितंबर 23 तक है।
सितंबर 23 ना, 30 सितंबर 23,
6 सितंबर 9 सितंबर तक सर।
9 सितंबर तक। तो आप 9 सितंबर तक रीस्ट्रक्चर पूरा करा लीजिए, उसके 1 महीने में चुनाव करा लीजिए। क्या कि हम पिटीशन डिस्पोज ऑफ कर देते हैं अभी सारी। आपकी अंडरटेकिंग नोट कर लेते हैं कि विभाग ने 9 सितंबर तक की समय सीमा रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग के लिए डिसाइड की थी। 9 सितंबर तक रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग पूरी कर ली जाएगी। उसके बाद में जो है 30 दिन के अंदर इलेक्शन कराने की कार्रवाई पूरी की जाएगी और उसके 30 दिन के भीतर इलेक्शन करा लिया जाएगा। टाइम टेबल डिसाइड हो गया 9 सितंबर से 9 अक्टूबर, 9 अक्टूबर से 9 नवंबर। उसके पहले आप कार्रवाई पूरी कर लीजिए।
सर बहुत जिलों में सर अभी
हमें नहीं मालूम, अगर नहीं हुआ है तो आपके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होगी। You cannot postpone a thing to suit your convenience or to suit the convenience of your masters. हर कोऑपरेटिव बॉडी का बेसिक फंडामेंटल राइट है कि उनका इलेक्शन हो, टाइम से गठन हो बॉडी का। नहीं तो हम आपके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करेंगे। And your collector will also not be spared. If he is at fault, he will also face the music.
May I?
जी,
May I submit, Your Lordship? In fact, Your Lordship, there are about 4,544 PACC societies in the entire state.
जी,
Now, the elections to these, in some of these elections have taken place.
जी.
In the others, elections have not taken place. There was a Government of India coordination meeting between the Government of India and all the states, and there was an order for restructuring, reorganization of these PACC societies.
Where are the minutes of that meeting?
Your Lordship, in a matter which is, in fact, the similar matter is seized by the Honorable Division Bench, and in that we have filed a detailed status report. I'm providing. I'm providing that, Your Lordship. In that matter, Your Lordship, we've filed a detailed status report in this regard.
Yes.
And taking note of this, Your Lordship.
What is the gazette notification? 24/1/23 का पढ़िएगा, उसमें क्या लिखा है 24/1/23 में गजट नोटिफिकेशन में। मध्य प्रदेश लेजिस्लेशन इतना दिस एक्ट में बी कॉल्ड मध्य प्रदेश कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2022. It shall come into force from the date of its publication in the Madhya Pradesh Gazette. In section 49 of the Madhya Pradesh Cooperative Societies Act, itna hereinafter referred to as the Principal Act, in subsection 7A in clause B in the second proviso after the word central society, the words primary agriculture credit cooperative society shall be inserted. ठीक है. उसके बाद में in section 1 in the second proviso after the central society इतना इतना, in subsection 12 in the second proviso after इतना इतना. तो जहाँ जहाँ central society था वहाँ पर आपने primary agriculture cooperative society जोड़ दिया.
जी.
ये amendment हो गया जनवरी 2023 में.
जी.
उसके बाद where are the minutes of the meeting between government of India and state government?
Your Lordship, those minutes are not on record, but Your Lordship may kindly see in paragraph 5 point, in paragraph 7, Your Lordship.
Paragraph
7,
7, page number,
at page 3.
page 3 of your status report.
Ji.
Yes.
It is most humbly submitted that the answering respondents are committed to conducting the elections of the PACC, primary agriculture credit cooperative societies in the state of MP. It is submitted that currently there is one PACS for average 3 to 5 gram
सुबह बता दिया वो.
जी जी.
उसके
In
बाद
furtherance,
जब ये amendment हो
in
गया,
furtherance of a coordination meeting held between the Government of India, Ministry of Cooperation and the states in September 22, it was observed in the meeting that for better governance of local self bodies and cooperatives.
that we have understood.
Ji.
The question to you is either you are not understanding the question or you are trying to circumvent it. Question to you is that when this decision, we are not challenging, this court has no authority to challenge your decision. You may form PACs for even a one village or even cluster of
Yes.
certain colonies in a village, that is your discretion.
Yes.
When this decision was taken, why it has not been implemented and why elections are not taking place?
In fact,
You
Your
must
Lordship,
have
if the
framed some time
timeline,
limit.
yes, timeline was
Where
there,
is
Your
that
Lordship.
timeline?
That has been revised.
Where is that timeline?
That timeline at page 20. That
Page
has
20.
subsequently been revised, Your Lordship, now.
Let us see page 20. What does it say? Where is the
At
revision?
The revision, Your Lordship, is there.
Your joint registrar is not aware of the revised timelines. He was giving this date 6/9/2023.
No, he was aware, Your Lordship.
Then why
It is
he made a
his-
statement in open court. I had not put any words in his mouth.
No, I don't know.
अब दीजिए रिवाइज टाइमलाइन दिखाइए क्या है ये. क्या क्या जस्टिफिकेशन है इस रिवाइज टाइमलाइन का?
Your Lordship, in fact, what has happened if the timeline is seen, Your Lordship, all the acts have to be carried out, the proceedings have to be carried out by each district.
हाँ.
And it's as per even section 16(3), they are required to call for objections, then the Aam Sabha is
तो
to be
टाइम लिमिट
conducted.
दी हुई है ना सब, ये सारी टाइम
जी,
लिमिट
जी,
बनाई हुई है.
सबकी बनाई
तो इसमें
हुई
क्यों नहीं हुई कार्रवाई?
Your Lordship, that because to be every
ये आपकी रिवाइज गाइडलाइन आ गई 7/3/2024 तक की. तो आप 7/3/2024 के पहले चुनाव करा लेंगे.
तो ये तो सर reorganization हो जाएगा, because that will result in a consequential change in the voter list also.
ठीक है, तो 7/3 तक कर लेंगे ना आप ये सारी चीजें.
जी
पंजीयन उपरांत सदस्यों के अनुपात में उनकी आस्तियों और दायित्वों का बंटवारा करना
जी,
है, ये सब
assets
हो
and
जाएगा.
liabilities ये सब
7/3 तक हो जाएगा.
7/3/24 तक हो
आप
जाएगा.
उसके 30 दिन के अंदर चुनाव कराइए.
जी.
लिखिएगा. ठीक है.
As far as my case is concerned, my relief is that 2018 we have applied for election.
ठीक है, वो लिख देते हैं
Now,
इसमें, लिख
now
देते हैं.
that PIL, I have filed that PIL. The issue was that 45, apart from 45.
We understand that why they don't want to conduct elections
Yeah,
in
yeah,
cooperative societies, and
Now-
therefore they are in such a quandary.
They say that our administrators are working in the society.
नहीं, they are not.
So till
We
that,
understand that why they want to kill democracy in the cooperative societies.
Your Lordship, in fact, that meeting, in fact, the coordination meeting of
You
the
have not
government
brought
of
anything
India.
on record.
No, that
If you would have,
If your
if
your
you would have been
Lordship
fair,
permitted-
you should have brought that coordination committee meeting minutes
no,
on record.
it is mentioned in the order subsequently passed, Your Lordship, in that
Thing
status.
of that and the minutes, they are two different things.
We'll place that also. Your
No, we
Lordship,
will not have an
some
opportunity
time.
to place. Now we will say that you will conduct elections, you will complete the whole proceeding. There is an undertaking to complete it by 7/3/2024 and you will complete elections within 45 days thereof.
yes.
देखिएगा. This whole bunch of petitions
Your Lordship, that
deals with a
I may,
singular issue.
if I may
that-
be permitted
No,
to bring all these facts on
no,
record.
no. Now you have said you have already.
Morning also, Your Lordship, we had sought time to bring all these facts
Sorry,
on record,
sorry,
Your Lordship. We had
sorry.
sought time for that.
And you have not brought them, any one of them. आपको सब में हमने तो सुबह ही ऑफर दिया था 20-20 हजार रुपए कॉस्ट लगा के टाइम दे देते हैं. 24 केस लगे हैं. आप 4 लाख
may
80
grant
हजार
me
रुपए जमा
sometime
करा
so
दीजिएगा
that they
cost
are,
के लिए.
they
Yes,
are only on
I'll grant you
record.
time. I'll grant you time. I'm not seeking disposal. If you want time, I'll grant you time subject to payment of cost. And each case you pay cost, let your joint registrar pay cost, and I'll grant you time. Or we'll say that this is the revised timeline and you will adhere to it and get the elections conducted within 45 days of this 7/3/2024. That is by end of the April 2024. लिखिएगा.
Should they, then if I may be granted only 10 minutes time for seeking some instructions. Your
What
Worship.
instructions?
Because if it is an undertaking, then I'll have to.
No,
keep
no, I'm
back
not
from-
saying undertaking. I'm saying that this is the document.
Those directions may be then lost. Your Worship.
No, the
Undertaking
directions
may
the-
not, undertaking may not be recorded.
This is the revised timeline. I'll say that. Please listen to the order now. लिखिएगा.
Lordship, if I may, Lordship.
You are appearing for whom?
For intervener, Lordship, in item number 2.
What is your locus?
Lordship, we are the farmers and members who are associated with the.
Unless this society is reconstituted, what is your locus?
Lordship, our prayer, very fair, is to reconstitute the societies. To
So
conduct prayer
intervene, you cannot intervene. You should have filed an independent petition. You can intervene only to object to the relief claimed by the petitioner.
Lordship, that we are objecting, Lordship.
ठीक है, चलिए.
Lordship, the
Sorry.
petitioners are functioning as
ठीक है,
administrators,
चलिएगा, लिखिएगा.
and we are aggrieved by the action of the
Petitioners
administrators.
have filed this petition. These petitions have been filed mainly seeking a relief that authorities of the state government are acting in an inappropriate manner and they have appointed administrators to primary agriculture cooperative societies starting from 2018 and are not conducting any elections to these said societies on one or the other pretext. Next para. Their only request is that respondents be directed to conduct elections to the primary agriculture cooperative societies in a time-bound manner. Next para. Srimati Janvi Pandit, learned Deputy Advocate General, Deputy Additional Additional Advocate General, appears for the state in the second round. Full stop. It is submitted that some reply is filed in WP 19114/2024.
2018, Your Worship.
Eh?
2000.
Sorry, 19114/2018. Full stop. Along with the reply on which Srimati Pandit is placing reliance is enclosed Gazette notification issued by the MP government, by the state of MP, amending namely the Madhya Pradesh Cooperative Societies within bracket amendment bracket close Act, 2022. Full stop. It is submitted that in terms of this amendment, which received the assent of the governor on the 23rd January 2023, first published in the Gazette within bracket extraordinary bracket close dated 24th January 23. The provisions contained in section 49 of the Madhya Pradesh Cooperative Societies Act 1960 have been amended, and wherever there is a provision for wherever there is use of the words within inverted commas central society inverted commas close words within bracket or within inverted within inverted commas or primary agriculture credit cooperative society inverted commas close has been inserted. Full stop. Ms. Pandit submits that there was a coordination committee meeting between the representatives of the Union of India and the state of Madhya Pradesh, and a decision was taken to reconstitute the PACCs. ऊपर वहाँ जहाँ लिखा है ना प्राइमरी एग्रीकल्चर क्रेडिट कोऑपरेटिव, वहाँ ब्रैकेट में लिख लीजिएगा PACCs. Full stop. It is submitted that for the present, cluster of 4 to 5 villages constitute a PACC. Full stop. Now it is proposed to constitute PACC with 1 or 2 villages as a cluster. Full stop. It is submitted that a timetable was issued in this regard and proceedings were to be completed by 6/9/2023. But now a revised timeline has been issued according to which proceedings for reconstitution of PACCs will be completed by 7/3/2024. Full stop. Thus, it is prayed that some more time is required to conduct elections and institutionalize democratic procedure in the democratic process in the PACCs. Full stop. Next para. She has produced revised timeline across the board, which was issued on 29/8/2023 by the Deputy Commissioner Cooperatives, Madhya Pradesh, by dispatch number /credit/law/2023/2398. Next para. तो आज ही बनवा लाया
आपके ऑर्डर के बाद फिर बना 29/8 आज ही है।
हाँ आज ही, मुझे मालूम है भाई। आपको क्या लगता है अंकित जी ऐसे ही बैठे हैं यहाँ पर?
नहीं आप ही की वजह से,
इतना समझते हैं।
आप ही की वजह से बन गया सर।
नहीं हमारी वजह से कुछ नहीं बना है, हमें ये गलतफहमी नहीं है। फुल स्टॉप। It is submitted that reconstitution of PACCs will be completed on or before 7/3/2024 as per the revised timeline. Next para. In view of such submission, and also taking into consideration the wide any cooperative of elections within.
Additional also.
ठीक है।
I'm grateful.
So if I may be heard, sir, till the charge may be given to the registrar till then.
नहीं
We are highly aggrieved by the action of the administration.
I'm much obliged.